The Hendel family of Santa Rosa first noticed the tub's fire flames spreading across Sonoma County at 11 p.m. on Sunday, October 8th, and by 11:15 p.m. Roland Hendel was well aware that he and his daughter would have to flee their home. They started loading up their cats and dogs right away, but they knew they wouldn't be able to save their 8 bottle-fed rescue goats. Odin the Great Pyrenees refused to leave Hendel's family of 8 bottle-fed rescue goats despite the sounds of exploding propane tanks. He was certain they'd lost Odin and the goats to the inferno. Instead, all of the animals outperformed the odds. When Hendel checked in with his neighbors, they reported that Odin and the goats were still alive and well on Hendel's property. Hendel was determined to get back to his animals by Tuesday. He avoided police roadblocks throughout his still-burning neighborhood to get home, where he discovered his heroic, albeit injured, dog safe and continuing to protect the goats and a few baby deer who'd also joined the herd. The steadfast pup's fur was scorched, his whiskers melted, and he walked with a limp, but the animal's survival was a miracle.